This video covers the following topics. What to see and do in Two Medicine. How to go. Must know before planning to visit. And where to stay nearby the Two Medicine. Two Medicine is a picturesque area located in Glacier National Park, one of the most renowned national parks in the United States. Known for its stunning landscapes and outdoor recreational opportunities, such as hiking, boating, and wildlife viewing. Here's everything you need to know about Two Medicine, including what to do, how to get there, where to stay, and must-know tips for visiting. So, let's start, and don't forget to check out the description section. You will find there many essential links that can perfect your glacier travel. Two Medicine offers a wide range of outdoor activities for visitors to enjoy, such as hiking, water activities, wildlife viewing, and many more. With numerous scenic trails that take you through breathtaking landscapes of towering mountains, pristine lakes, and lush forests. Popular hikes in the area include the Scenic Point Trail, a challenging but rewarding hike that offers panoramic views of Two Medicine Lake and the surrounding peaks, and the Running Eagle Falls Trail, an easy hike that leads to a beautiful waterfall. If you enjoy water activities, Two Medicine Lake is a great spot for boating, kayaking, and fishing. The lake is known for its calm waters, making it perfect for a leisurely paddle or a peaceful day of fishing. The area also offers ranger-led programs, including boat tours and interpretive talks, which provide insight into the park's natural and cultural history. For wildlife enthusiasts, Two Medicine is home to a variety of species, including grizzly bears, black bears, moose, elk, and bighorn sheep. Wildlife viewing opportunities are abundant, so make sure to bring your binoculars and keep a safe distance from the animals. Two Medicine is located in the southeastern part of Glacier National Park in Montana. The closest airport is Glacier Park International Airport in Kalispell, Montana, which is served by several major airlines. From the airport, you can rent a car and drive to the park, which is about a 2-hour drive. If you prefer public transportation, Amtrak's Empire Builder train stops at East Glacier Park, which is a short drive from Two Medicine. However, it's important to note that public transportation options within the park are limited, so having your own vehicle is recommended for exploring Two Medicine and other areas of Glacier National Park. Two Medicine offers a range of accommodation options for visitors. The Two Medicine Campground is a popular choice for camping enthusiasts, with 100 campsites that are available on a first-come, first-served basis. The campground is nestled in a forested area near Two Medicine Lake and offers basic amenities such as picnic tables, fire rings, and vault toilets. If you prefer more comfortable lodging, the Two Medicine Store and Campground also offers a variety of cabins and rooms for rent. These accommodations provide a cozy and rustic experience, with shared bathroom facilities and limited services. It's important to note that accommodations in Glacier National Park can fill up quickly, especially during peak season, June to September, so it's recommended to make reservations well in advance. When visiting Two Medicine, it's important to be prepared and follow park regulations to ensure a safe and enjoyable experience. Here are some must-know tips. Two Medicine is bear country, and encounters with bears are possible. Be sure to carry bear spray, know how to use it, and follow all bear safety guidelines, including making noise on the trail and properly storing food and garbage. Trail conditions can vary depending on the time of year and weather. Before embarking on a hike, check with the park rangers for trail updates, closures, and safety advisories. Weather in Glacier National Park can be unpredictable, with temperatures changing rapidly. Bring layers of clothing, including rain gear and warm clothing, and be prepared for varying conditions. Respect the park's pristine environment by practicing leave no trace principles, including packing out all trash, staying on designated trails, and respecting wildlife and other visitors. With its natural beauty, outdoor activities, and abundant wildlife, Two Medicine in Glacier National Park offers a memorable experience for nature lovers and outdoor enthusiasts alike. Plan your visit and make the most of your trip to this stunning destination. Hope you'll enjoy your trip happily and safely.